TV so Adom TV so bedwon dwuma die so dia wo kansi ho sem pan sa kenan no pensu jamidin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back pe the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya elkono quantum coding small drink sa kenan no penso e wo Ghana agudiem 18 say ja hye no so mam say na fofie de na emubia ba kadesala edition no ana yede eba one expert I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet the intensity which is so trend before didn't before trend kuma bia udini kuma sa no manum ka kire busuafo na fofo yero ma ofasefo na nanam ene ukrumo ene opranfo nyina se sala idea one expert and yede baba aboma nema etian kwedi amount emo bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yere enya ya no eno ane di twa bet nyesa bet diwa wadwene betia bomoni betia punso betia kokko utim betia hye kakra enti bet with money that you can afford to lose one expert ehun komo ane yede age no Jeffas Mr. do titashi infections do se gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na studio po na chewa mo set mi ka Jeffas do bia nom ebetia boa prapra wahrawa na mrebo ho obetia di nchina che ewe radim enti bomodin da ko herbal shops pharmaceutical shops ma also pe Jeffas Mr. no ne dra ebetia boa emaniama etia tutu ye diama Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampas be pimo na se ye kan yawdi a edo ba ku 2 hours say home na ebo ma asetanate me ko ye Sedimo gel and roll on Mr. Kwa Shamana soja fo ni gusu ho de batu nya bi ato afi ko teman so a edo ni bi gusu e house abetia aka obetia from say wo to anoma na say wo to na okoton no obetia from 0208219129 na on Sedimo gel and roll on from pay for hwehwe komo pe product ibi to ne mo a ema wapomodon sem so entiankwe we mu ene sponsors omo techira bo men no penso yedi agu kensi hun sempan saka 8 major a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with very first step in Chelsea Fanfi English Premier League any quality wa ne kan say EPL results Saudi 20 PM ni Thomas Tepatis Arsenal wom any Southampton ebo 3-3 na team sampa kensi no eden pa fida no ada Thomas Partey bi DMPC Uganda how ko ene de team sampa Arsenal has never been the same but ukuma Liverpool eche Nottingham Forest etwom 3-2 ewa kensi na afenso Newcastle United enso eche Tottenham Hotspur etwom 6-1 ewa Sakins Kesia epiemu ewo England emonten so what I say ya no mani omo adwuma na manato afun but eni ye hwe nim se kwan bia so no ye beko Abdul Ghazali kotoko acting head coach no kita team ne bo ama ne matia ku after the game our winning 2-1 against Aduana Stars no ne nkoma odija bidwafuni.
Players have reacted very quickly because we started slowly. Technically we were doing everything right, but unfortunately individually Augustine was not able to defend Jemfi well. But we still have about 7 matches to go. And you see what happened. All those who were at the first 4, they all drop points. So anything can still happen. We are now moving to the 4th place. And I strongly believe that if we are able to continue this way, definitely we are going to get.
Abdul Ghazali, kotoko coach, on that thing cancelled in Komo Ejano. Pa kwesi Fabian on that league in Robert and Radie and Farmano after the game on Nusin Komuni.
You know, football is, win, draw or lose. So we believe in the coach. We believe what he can do. He gave a tactical plan that the players listen to it and they work according to the plan. So when the coach leaves, it doesn't take any effect. So, whatever he done to the club is very good.
One gravel from no Hafiz Wuta Kunkoni we teach any check class 4 oja bo ne bo se obobo oja at the channel so obobo the eso share more goals. He's the leading goal scorer in the Ghana Premier League ono episode atina be United after the game ono so nkoma odijani.
It was a tough game because our last game we could not win and House of Folk won their last game and their confidence was high. So coming to this game we know it will be a very difficult game but we're able to win this game. Actually, this is one of my aim. But firstly, I wanted to help my club achieve our aim for this season. Secondly, I'm aiming to win the Goal King.
Afis Wuta Kunkoni, we teach any pa and a nay or the ball I na jumanti we judge yes at all and all Chegus Ghana Premier League. Other results CPM no Accra Lions and Kanjata. Omuchi media ma atwom 4-2 business abri media man so akudu tako biante so maba afen so kuto Creas enso ne RTO Boss USU Great Olympus 1 Tamale City 1 Dean Football Club 2 Samate 0 and afe Karela United so ene Legon City mo etransma Legon Cities ebetwa makaminu omo ntimi ante outimi sampa ama relegation center no ebon Karela 4 omo jesem na afe Gold Stars enso transma etima omudin ene bekum Chelsea ebetwa makaba ko ntimi ante so Taman 1 Ken Faisal 0 nti we ene ne team san PM Ghana Premier League yami adoma ne betia san de obi oni be san de hunkumo hakra tia san brew be gina we so amobi aba kadesala yami adom na wakoko nan bi ha ofren a abegye ne kama ya be praprechi abo ma ne matia san koyi within the profiki wala sa gudi catch back open am gina of course evidence based sports presentation it me jao she no so me say 1xbet I've always told you that betting there is better than soccer. I'll train before didn't before train kuma bia within kuma sa no manum nemu bet with money that you can afford to lose sika ira nya no eno and the try bet je fast message do test ahwi infections do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so dey poa and actual set me ke bia ko herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne ma on sabit me aka je fast mixture Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel set me ke bia ya odi bia etu ase okọ e ashamana soja fo ngusu na mode but on sabit me ke bia to na fi odi wani echrim e wotem hanso a sabit me aka bi obetia from 0208219129 na afi one Sedimo gel and roll for pain for nhwetwe nkomo ye hwemo a emaniema 822 year for now the act of being a good guest to now to say goodbye.